Hello everyone, I am B. Sharda, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, working in KCS Kasnadar College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to overview of the topic C++ inheritance concept. C++ inheritance allows us to create a new base classes on existing one, enabling us to model real world relationships and build upon existing functionalities. It's a cornerstone of code reusability and organization. C++ inheritance, a powerful feature that forms the backbone of object-oriented programming. At its core, inheritance embodies the is-a relationship where a derived class inherits properties and behaviors from a base class. This relationship forms a hierarchy where base class impart their attributes to derived classes, promoting a structured and efficient code base. There are several types of inheritance in C++. One is single inheritance. Single inheritance means a class can inherit from only one base class. This allows a derived class to inherit attributes and behaviors from a single parent class. The derived class inherits public and protected members from base class. Inherited members can be used directly as if they are defined in derived class. Private members are not inherited. Private members remain private to base class and not accessible to derived class. For example, a dog class can inherit from an animal class because dog is an animal. This is an example for a single inheritance. C++ inheritance represent meaning that a subclass is a type of a superclass. So benefits of the C++ inheritance is it allows derived classes to reuse code from their base classes. This reduces duplicated code and enforces the right principle. Inheritance is a key feature for code reuse in C++. The syntax for the C++ inheritance is class, the keyword class, derived class name, colon, access base class. Indicates that derived class inherits from base class. The class derived is controlled by the base class. How the members of base class are inherited in the derived class. Virtual functions. Virtual functions allow derived classes to override base class member functions with the same name, parameters, and return type. This is useful for polymorphism, where derived classes can provide custom implementations of functions while still maintaining the same interface as the base class. The access specifiers, as I told earlier, which you are going to use in the syntax of the C++ inheritance. So these are some access specifiers. Public inheritance. Inherited public members retain public accessibility in derived class. Private inheritance. Inherited public and protected members become private in derived classes. Protected inheritance. Inherited public class members become protected in derived class. Friendship. Friend functions and classes can access private and protected members. Using directive makes all members of a base class visible in derived class. Controlling accessibility. Access specifiers allow control over accessibility of inherited members. And another one is constructors and destructors. When inheriting from a base class in C++, the derived class constructor calls the base class constructor by default. Similarly, the derived class destructor calls the base class destructor after it is finished. This ensures constructors and destructors are called properly in the inheritance chain. And another type of inheritance is multiple inheritance. That is inherited from multiple classes. C++ class can inherit from more than one parent class through multiple inheritance. They are derived class inherits the properties and behaviors of all its base classes. Multiple inheritance can lead to diamond problem with ambiguity in resolving inherited members. Another one type is multi-level inheritance. C++ supports multi-level inheritance, which allows a class to inherit from a direct class. For example, class C could inherit from class B, which itself inherits from base class A. This allows class C to access public and protected members of both B and A. Another type is hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance allows classes to inherit from a single base class and provide more specialized functionality. The derived classes inherit attributes and behaviors from the base class and can override or extend them. This allows code reuse and polymorphism. The derived classes from a hierarchy from the base class. Last one is the hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance combines multiple inheritance types in C++. For example, a class can inherit from one base class publicly and other base class privately. So these are some of the type of the inheritance we have seen in this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you very much.